Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write an explanation letter for cash-out refinance. This letter is a formal document provided to lenders to clarify why you've chosen to refinance your mortgage and take cash out. You are preparing a formal letter with the date, addressed to whom it may concern. At the top, you include your full name, street address, city with zip code, phone number and email address to identify yourself as the sender. After that, write, I am writing to explain the reason for my recent cash-out refinance. The funds were primarily used to pay off high-interest debts and to complete essential home repairs including roofing and electrical upgrades. These improvements were necessary to preserve the safety and long-term value of the property. This refinance also allowed me to consolidate my monthly payments into a more manageable structure, improving my financial stability and cash flow. I am confident this decision supports my long-term goal of maintaining a healthy and responsible financial profile. Sincerely, your full name. Here's our sample explanation letter for cash-out refinance. You'll notice how it clearly explains the reason for refinancing, outlines how the funds will be used, and maintains a respectful and professional tone throughout. The letter supports the borrower's financial transparency and helps the lender better understand the purpose behind the cash-out request. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing clear and effective financial and mortgage-related letters.